We're going to go through the Fern Canal again, and we'll be passing a statue on our right. I'll tell you about it when we get there. This is a statue of a frog, and that frog is a tribute to all the frogs who croaked here over the years. And we're going to be going under the bridge with all the pipes. So if you didn't get a chance to hit your head coming this way, this is your last opportunity on this tour. So aim carefully. Okay, watch your heads, everyone. I want to point out this live oak tree coming up on our left. That tree is estimated to be almost 350 years old. And believe it or not, that is middle age for a live oak tree. Check out the trunk, it's quite a specimen. And this is Calcutta bamboo on our left. It flourishes here, one more behind me. Flourishes here in Florida. And we'll be coming out onto Lake Osceola for a couple of minutes again. This ordinary looking brown house on our right. It's hiding behind a hedge and an oak tree. I see they have a designer trash can out in the backyard. Some white furniture on the back porch. When that house was built in 1901 by the guy who started Walgreens Pharmacies.